If you're like me, then you're probably wondering if the boats and the Gone Fishing line actually float from Johnny Lightning. Normally, I would never buy a Johnny Lightning piece, but curiosity has definitely got a hold of me. This is new for 2017, one of 2004. This is a 1973 Chevrolet Caprice with boat and trailer. So, the big question is, does it float? Let's find out. Gotta go open this over. There we go. Oh, it's stuck in there. That is heavy duty. Alright, get a close up of the car real quick. Looks like the hood would open on it. Yep. Got a little bit of detail in there. Anyways, that's not the main thing we're looking at. Trailer for the boat. That's why I don't like Johnny Lightning, is because these plastic tires. This whole trailer is actually plastic's very flimsy. Did they at least put rubber tires in here? Yep. Here's the boat. Four holes in it. Don't think this is gonna float, but we shall see. That should answer your question right there. Did that break? This comes apart. I think it's just too heavy. You can put it in. So you do it really gently. Nope. Straight to the bottom. Wondering if that's what these holes are for. They fill up. So, to answer your question, if these Johnny Lightnings float, they do not. Even when you try really hard. Oh well, it's worth a shot. So it's definitely not for the kids to be playing in the bathtub with. Still a cool piece.